Hello and welcome back to Underdog Investing. So today I'd like to talk about Virgin Galactic. Firstly, I just want to celebrate the stock price. So we actually ended the day at $42, which is 16.8% up from the start of the trading day. And what's more exciting is we hit an all-time high today of $44. And if that's something you're excited about, and if you're a Virgin Galactic investor, I'll be grateful if you can share that excitement with me by smashing that like button and subscribing to the channel for future updates. Now, I just want to share my experience of owning this stock. So looking at the 1 year chart, I actually started investing at around the start of July, so around $16, $17. And I've seen a lot of ups and downs in this stock. And after a while, I did actually start thinking to myself, maybe I should have timed this stock and tried to buy at the bottoms and sell at the tops. And maybe I could have made some profit that way. But today's rally and this particular rally itself has just given me conviction knowing that I've actually done the right thing by just holding onto the stock and not trying to time the market. And the reason is because if I tried to time this particular trade, I probably would have sold at around $33 and then tried to buy back around $25. But what actually happened is this stock actually dropped from $33 to about $30, and then it proceeded to just rally up to $42. And if that happened, I would have probably missed this 30% increase. So I think it's true what they say when they say timing the market is better than timing the market, especially when you believe in the long term of this stock. Okay, so moving on to why this stock actually rallied. Personally, I really don't know why we've seen this rally today. I was wondering whether it was a space-related hype, but as you can see from the next three space-related stocks, you can see they all actually ended up red. So Maxar Technologies ended up 3% down. Aerojet Rocketdyne ended up in the red. Iridium ended up 0.55% down. So it's clearly not space-related hype. The other thing I was thinking was whether it was some kind of short squeeze. I don't know. If anyone who's watching now has any idea as to why this stock could have rallied today, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments down below. I think it'd be very helpful to share it with everyone. Because the other thing is, the main thing we've been waiting for now is the next flight window announcement, which we actually haven't heard anything about. So that's also something that is clearly not the cause of this stock rally. I just wanted to finish with two just quite interesting articles. So the first one is, what might the new ARK space exploration ETF look like? And this is an article by The Street, and it's more like a speculation. So first one they think is Tesla. Tesla seems to be a quite obvious choice because Cathie Wood is clearly very bullish on Tesla, and three of her other ARK funds have actually got Tesla as their highest holding. And Tesla is also quite closely related to SpaceX. So those are the reasons why Tesla probably will be in the ARKK Space Exploration Fund. The next one is our favorite company, Virgin Galactic. So Richard Branson's company, which seeks to offer suborbital space flights to consumers, seems like another easy choice for this fund. Virgin Galactic has been around since 2004, but has relatively little to show over the past decade and a half. In 2018, the company was successful in putting pilots into a suborbital spaceflight and returning them back to Earth. But it's probably safe to say that SpaceX is in the lead, having already landed a contract with NASA. Okay, so here's the thing about comparing SpaceX with SpaceX with Virgin Galactic. I personally don't think you should compare these two companies. I must admit that SpaceX is definitely more technologically advanced, and it also has more potential in terms of generating revenue. However, I also think that from an investment point of view, that is already priced in. And what I mean by that is, okay, firstly, SpaceX is not a publicly traded company, but if it was, I can almost guarantee that due to the branding of actual SpaceX and Elon Musk, I think that the first day of trading will probably bring the stock, the valuation of the company over 100 billion. Now, if we compare that to the valuation of Virgin Galactic stock, it's 9.85 billion. So at this current price. So even after this crazy rally, it's still under 10 billion. So that just shows that from from a stock investment point of view, Virgin Galactic is actually just as good as SpaceX potentially, and we still haven't heard anything about their hypersonic travel. So there's still a long way to go for this stock, and it could definitely easily 10x from these levels if they do execute. And I say easy, but I mean in the long term, so 5 to 10 years down the line. Okay, and then they just mentioned the other companies like Maxar Technologies, Iridium, Aerojet Rocketdyne. So what I can do is I'll link this article into the comment section. So anyone who wants to read it, feel free to do that. And then the next bit of news is from The Verge, and basically Axiom names first private crew paying 55 million for a trip to the International Space Station. So this is some exciting news. An American real estate investor, a Canadian investor, and a former Israeli Air Force pilot are paying $55 million each to be part of the first fully private astronaut crew to journey to International Space Station. The trio will hitch a ride on SpaceX's Crew Dragon capsule early next year, with a veteran NASA astronaut as a commander. So 55 million might sound like a lot of money, but we can't actually compare this to Virgin Galactic because these guys are actually going to the International Space Station, which is actually an orbital flight, whereas Virgin Galactic is a suborbital flight. And also, these are the first guys to go up to the International Space Station. This is the first fully private astronaut crew. So that's probably why it's priced so expensively. The other bit of exciting news, I'm sure all of you know already, billionaire Amazon owner Jeff Bezos' space firm Blue Origin will soon offer similar suborbital experiences to Virgin Galactic with its vertically launched New Shepard rocket. So the thing I wanted to point out about these two bits of information is that it's really exciting that actually the two richest people on Earth, so Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos, are actually competing in this space industry that we actually are investors in. So it's just quite exciting. It just confirms to us that we're in the right industry by investing in Virgin Galactic. I know the two, SpaceX and Blue Origin, are both currently not publicly traded, so I mean, it's a good idea to own some Virgin Galactic stock. Personally, that's how I see it. I don't know. So that's the end of the video. If you enjoyed the video, I'd be grateful if you can smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. And I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comment section down below. If you found it useful in any way, please do share this video. Thank you so much.